Deputies responded to a Sunglass Hut theft at Coastland Center Mall. Suspect on video, merchandise concealed, walked out. She denied everything. Bag search came up, empty. Officer believed she passed the goods outside.
Hey, girl, I can take you to my car. I did not take anything at all.
That's fine. We're gonna go to your car.
Okay, come on.
Let me just check that out of the pocket.
Go ahead, sir. I did not take any glasses. I promise you.
You did. You're on video taking.
Yeah,
I can
but
see
I
the
put the
video.
glasses back, sir.
It doesn't matter. You're on video taking them. Where's the? Open this bag.
There's nothing inside this bag at all. It's my stuff. Shay.
No, sir. We're gonna go out to the car.
Okay.
Let's see. Where are you parked over at?
I'm taking you. I don't really know the area. So.
All right, go out this way then. We're going out this way because I have another officer coming. Well, we can walk around. Here, go out this way. Can you ask him if he'll sign a sworn statement for the sunglasses since we don't have them and see if he'll press charges?
You're going to have to walk this way.
Okay. What kind of car is it?
It's an alternate.
Can they meet you over here?
She's inside the mall. The car is open. I just said we could have walked that way.
Do you have ID on yours? You said it's in the car?
Yeah.
Where's the vehicle? In the parking garage?
I let you search all of my stuff. I don't have any glasses. Where you at? Oh, no, this nigga's going to talk to glasses. I don't take no fucking glasses. So if I don't find no glasses, I can leave, right? Because I don't have any glasses.
No.
Alpha 1, Charlie 60.
So
I don't have any glasses.
you're on video putting the glasses in your jacket.
Glasses back,
They're not in the store.
yes, they are in the store. I put the glasses back.
So if they want to press charges, then they can press charges.
After you press charges, and I didn't
After
take
the glasses.
So that's the thing about it.
You're on video taking the glasses and walking out of the store with them.
I did not walk out the store with the glasses. Did you come out of it?
Going north on Gulf Shore.
Where's your vehicle?
She moved the car.
Okay, come over here. Put your bags up there. You hang up the phone right now.
I'm gonna call you back.
Turn around.
We're responding as well.
Put your phone up on that car.
Can I at least let you search the car and she's gonna come back around with the car?
Come back around.
I don't have
Give me a second.
30 Duncan, Quebec. 30 fuck you.
Give me a second.
No, I'm saying, can I make a call to my grandma to let her know what's going on at least so she can get my
Vehicle and go here and find
Yeah, but I want to.
I want to come out with you. I'm not going to be anything but come out at all.
Just turn your hand inward. There you go.
At least let me make a phone call to my grandmother.
Okay,
Please?
you can wait. You have anything on us that's going to poke us, stick us, or
not
anything
at
like
all.
that? Okay.
Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Okay, no,
I just want to let my grandmother know.
Yeah,
Please.
I know what that is, so.
Yeah, I know what that is.
So you will be arrested for that alone.
Do you have anything with you?
No. Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Yeah, why don't you make a phone call to whoever has the vehicle to come over here to get your ID? I'll just put it in.
Can I give you my name?
Yeah.
You guys can slow down. Good.
Can I at least make a call? So that my grandma can get my kids here?
Okay.
You want her for grandma?
At least so she can get my kids, please.
Can you look
Your
her
keys?
for
My kids. They're at a friend house, please.
What's your first name?
Javon.
Javon.
Shaye.
Shaye.
Davis.
He stopped me from Sunglass Hut. She took 2 pairs on video, put them in her pockets, walked directly out of the store, says she doesn't have them. So she probably met with someone passing by and handed them off. That's why I wanted the other girl to come in that vehicle. And we want to see what vehicle they're driving because she fits the same description that's been stealing Coach purses in the mall. But she also had the burglary device on her. So no matter what, I'll charge her with this.
Key find: a professional ease tag, removal magnet, felony possession under Florida law, no theft needed. Victoria's Secret, Nike multiple stores, no receipts, tags removed. Organized retail crime.
So the people from the two girls with the Texas twin.
Yeah, I don't know if that's part of it or not.
Because
I was trying to get.
We took a report.
You said it was a what? Ford Edge or something, or a Ford Escape?
It was a Volkswagen SUV. 4-door. That's the 3 that I had last week. Run out of Macy, and that's the pictures.
It looks the same.
Looks like the same, right? We have
But
a name
she's
on
saying
it?
she had a Altima. Yeah, the problem is she doesn't have ID, and I want her ID because she could be given anyone's name.
Do you think he'll let me make a call?
No, we don't.
Really?
That's not a thing, no. When you get to jail, if that's whatever decision they may take, that's when you make a phone call in there.
I'm talking about now so that I can have my grandmother pick up my kids, please.
I'm not. What I'm trying to tell you is I'm not the officer. It's him. He already told you to wait, so you have to wait for him, okay?
Okay.
We're waiting to see if they want to press charges.
Okay.
Maybe they don't. They don't. You know how they are. So if they don't, there's nothing to do. So I'm just doing this just in case.
Yeah, get it over with.
You heard the one in Sector 1?
Yeah,
That was wild.
I know. I didn't know which way to go. I was like, if he's let them go upstairs, should I go to that or?
I had the other guys come here. They were gonna take it from me, but then the other one came out, and the guy hit him.
Yeah.
Some with bills.
So let me see.
They've been doing this for weeks now.
I know. You know, Pink usually presses charges.
I'm telling you, if you're not going to press charges, don't call us. I'm not going to waste that.
My ID? 305. You put me in as deputy? No. We're not the county. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I know.
Central 5L4.
Ready for you. What's going on?
You're so nice, huh? So
Yeah.
and I was heading this way, and then they had that other thing, so I couldn't ask you questions.
No, that's fine.
So
Hold on one second. Can you guys send someone to Pink for me?
Pink?
Or Louis, or what is it?
Yeah.
Victoria's Secret, I guess. And see, she
She had no receipts? Oh, she still selling?
yeah, she tried to pop it off. So, can you see if she will?
Is she paid for it?
Well, no, she has no receipt of it.
Oh, okay.
So let me photograph those real quick first, and then if you can, see if they want to press charges. If they do, just let us know. We'll send an officer in there to do a sworn statement. But I don't know if this is the only thing. She could have taken a lot more stuff, but yeah, I know. Well, that's what I'm thinking. As soon as they left Sunglass Hut, they probably did a side swipe, so she's not caught with the product. And he got me immediately. I was having to be right there.
I didn't know which way to go. So we don't know yet if they can press charges.
Well, I have her anyway for a burglary device,
From Sunday.
Oh, okay.
so she had this on her anyway. So I'll get her for that.
It's a like in picture of the device.
Yeah, just to pop the magnets off.
We had that on?
Yeah, that was in her pocket. She said she didn't know what it was. Then out here, she said she did know what it was.
Can you re-advise?
Yep. This is from Nike, but you guys, what is it?
Come on, it's automatic.
Negative.
It didn't.
Yeah. But there's no price tag on it, so she ripped the price tag off of them. I'm assuming to get out of That's what I think it is.
Anti-shoplifting device is
What all it does
like
is
a catch-all.
it is a heavy magnet just to pop it off.
Just
Just
say
about.
that.
Oh.
It's a felony.
Yeah, that.
November 7th.
Anti-shoplifting, you know.
Did you send someone already?
No, I mean,
Oh yeah.
Number is going to be
What's that?
207.
all right, coming back.
Thank you, sir. What's that?
We need a proper receipt. Sorry.
Yeah, because I have hard evidence.
You got any proper receipts available? If not, I got to get in there.
I mean, I could do that. I could do that at the station. I could do it at the station.
You're gonna take it? You guys supposed to?
I don't know. Shoplifter always calls me, and I have to take it when I'm on the road. But no, but
Yeah, it's usually because
I'm here. But
you've been here all day.
yeah, they made me come in early.
See, you were in about getting out of 5.
No, I messed up and came in the wrong time. I wish to press charges.
On behalf of Bostick,
You don't even have to do that. Just I wish to press charges.
it's just being trespassed.
Yeah, she'll be trespassed from the mall.
31.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Yep. What I'm going to do is just sign this real quick, and then if you want a photo of this for yourself real
Okay.
fast,
Yeah, I can do that.
this way you have the case number and stuff on it.
Did you reach out to the original call essential cutoff?
And my information will then be on it. So yeah, it's going to be theft, burglary, device. Yeah, two counts of theft.
So theft. Signs for theft. Because at the end of
Yeah,
the
it's retail theft and burglary device. Can you roll the window down real quick? Is that your friend that has the car?
No, that's my cousin.
Okay.
Can I please call my grandmother? I just want to let her know to get my kids, please.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Could you loosen the cuffs for me?
No, they have one finger in between. They don't get any looser than that.
Do you take any medications or anything?
No. Ma'am, I really need the cuffs loosened, please.
I'll let him know. He already told you. If there's a finger in the middle, there's not much we can do.
But if you
Not
look
that
at
we
it,
can do.
if you look at my wrist, it's a long, big cut on my wrist.
Do you take any drugs?
No, I don't.
Have you made any suicidal statements?
No.
Do you have any hallucinations?
Huh?
Do you have any hallucinations?
No. Sir, could you please loosen the cuffs? If you look at my wrist, you will see.
You tell me what it costs.
Please, could you please loosen the cuffs for me?
No, policy's one finger in between, and that's.
But if you look at my wrist, you could tell that it's a bit. I had surgery on my wrist. It's a really big long cut on my wrist.
Yeah, it
goes from my wrist to my hand.
It's also on with the proper spacing in between.
But I can't even move my wrist at all. It's sitting right onto my bones.
No, they're handcuffs.
Too many drugs or weapons on you, ma'am?
Davis charged. Felony grand theft. Possession of burglary tools. $2,000 recovered. Permanently trespassed. Officer. B+. Davis. D. 4 lessons. Good surveillance kills the denial. Professional thieves bring professional tools. Audit your tags. Crews hit multiple stores. Share intel across the mall. One standalone felony charge is all you need. Thanks for watching. Check out Justice on Cam for more.